Okay, if you look on the inside of this cup, you'll see your fair share of wear there. You see a lot of wear marks on this one edge. Our Mini Cooper has 112,000 miles on it, so we've changed out the air pump, and now for a peace of mind, we want to kind of see how close our air pump might have been to failing. Is there any wear indications in it? So we're going to open this up. I have not opened one of these in the past, so we may have parts flying all over the place, but it's a throwaway part. There's 4 screws that hold this in with a Torx type wrench. Looks like a T25. I'm not going to be too careful about this because I'm probably going to just throw this device away anyways. I do not want to chance a catastrophic failure of the engine for a $130 part, and we are having some oil drippage. So what we probably want to do is okay, let's get some paper towels handy. Okay. This looks like it's got its fair share of wear on it, so we're going to probably consider ourselves lucky on this one. Okay, if you look on the inside of this cup, you'll see your fair share of wear there. You see a lot of wear marks on this one edge, which is not a good sign. And this is the bar that sits inside, and you'll notice it's got a pretty significant amount of wear on it also. These are the 2 little devices that build vacuum or help build vacuum. They don't look horrible. They actually look halfway decent. But if you do look inside, you will notice that there is some wear marks in here. Some of them are probably normal. I don't know what would necessarily be excessive or considered excessive on this. It does seem to be spinning freely, but I'm not sure if this is going to cause it to lock up. This spins around inside, definitely causes some wear. I am going to kind of lean on the side of safety and precaution, and this is an example of a unit that has about 112,000 miles on it. 112,000 miles of, it looks like fairly good maintenance. The oil doesn't look bad in here. I honestly believe that we probably would have got, a few more miles out of it, but for $130, it's certainly a good peace of mind.